Hello, my name is Tyler Thompson. I'm a cosmetologist and cosmetology instructor at Oliver Finley Academy of Cosmetology. Today we're making a really quick video to show you one of the newest, coolest trends in updo. In other words, soft and natural looking without spending a lot of time, without using a rubber band, without using bobby pins, actually with just using a plastic needle and some natural hemp thread. What we're just going to do today, just to show you the technique, is a really simple twist on both sides of the head. So I'm just going to take a nice soft section with diagonal parting and I'm just going to twist it up. Okay, and when I feel like I've got that where I want it, I'm going to grab my needle and thread that I already have prepared. So I've already got some thread on it. If you're going to be doing a really intense, really intricate updo, you probably want to have a couple needles and thread prepped. So what I'm going to do basically is just lay it on the head where I want it, about to the center. I'm going to take my needle and go through, come up, okay, go around. And for this first one, because it's my very first one, I'm going to go through by my knot. I'm just going to come through and make that tight. Now that's not going to secure it to the head yet, so I still need to be holding on. Now I'm just going to come around a couple more times, right in that same spot. Probably twice is usually how many it takes to catch, and then I'm going to go back through to one of my strings and just pull all tight. So our other side here, we're going to pop over here. Just going to let my needle and thread hang. It's going to stay. If you notice, that's attached and it's going to stay where I put it now. No bobby pins. Alright, so the other side again, we're going to come up, make a little diagonal parting, diagonal forward, so slanting toward the face, twisting upward. And then I'm just going to come around again through my section. Okay, if you'll notice, that's going to pull me nice and tight together once I get it secured. So I'm going to go around again. That should get me secured. I'm going to go through my string, pull that tight, and then I can just pull a little tighter there. And that's going to bring those toward the center. Now that I've got them secured, is go around each of them through the other side, come through and secure that too, so I can pull them tighter, closer together. And you'll see how that fills in the middle there too. Okay, so I've got my middle secured now. What I want to decide is if I'm trying to do an all updo, if I'm trying to leave some down and hanging. But what I'm going to do is just going to grab some hair to start pulling up, and again twisting upward and toward the middle, so that I can kind of drape over my thread so that I can start to make it a little bit less visible. And what you'll notice is the more hair you add, the less visible your braid, or excuse me, your string is going to be. Okay, so I'm going to go through again. Every time I need to secure, I'm going to go right back through my two strings and just pull it tight. Now I'm going to let that hair hang there because right now I'm just kind of building a foundation, and then I'm going to go through and lay some curls differently. Okay, so I'm going to grab some more hair here. Again, bringing it to kind of drape across. If you want to twist it a little bit, you can. To kind of drape across so that, again, we're trying to make this a little bit less visible. Okay, so again, whatever I do, I just need to secure it, hold it with my hands. Okay, I'm just going to sew through this current section that I'm working on. Doesn't really matter where, as long as you're near the center where you need to stay secure. So again, going around it, going through my two threads, and then just pulling tight. It feels like a slip knot. Okay, you're just going to continue to do that. You can grab from the middle if you feel like that middle hair needs to come up, and give yourself some interest, but really you're just bringing some more hair into your updo so it can become as elaborate or as simple as you want. So I'm kind of just going to establish a little bit of a pin, curl, leave my ends out. You want to just grab some of the hair, trying to grab through the back side of it now, so that I'm not making my string stay visible, and then just pull that tight in, and you'll notice my curl's going to stay right there too until I get done securing it. So again, I'm going to let that flop. I'll switch over here. I'm going to lay another one in. Alright, now I'm going to grab a little bit from the middle, do one final little curl, letting it curl kind of the way it wants to, letting those ends do their little thing. And I'm going to come back around and underneath so that I can stay invisible with my threads. Okay, Okay, I'm going to go up through this one, so I end up here in the middle again, so that my string is going to go around and wrap under and stay behind everything. Now, you see I've got my 3 little curls. Now I can kind of finish by laying my ends wherever I want. If I wanted to lay my ends and make these curls a little fuller and bigger, and a little more soft, a little more messy, a little more bohemian. It's kind of the word we use in our industry nowadays. If we want to do something and not make it perfectly, we call it bohemian because that means it's soft and natural. So all I'm going to do now is just kind of go through around all 3 of my curls. You don't have to do this. You can just secure. I just feel like I want almost like a ponytail securing it. So I'm going to go around. I'm going to find one of my strings to go back through. Secure that sucker. And you will just cut your ends off at that point. But if you notice, these curls are in there. They're not going to fall out very easily. So we're just going to expand them a little bit to make sure everything's kind of covered like we want it. Give that a little hairspray, and then all you really have to do is decide if you want to leave these curl. I could literally grab my ends, grab a section of that hair, and just expand it to give the curls some movement. If you really do want that soft, natural bohemian style, and kind of just piece things out, and really go from this point as intricate or as detailed as you want to, or you can leave it kind of soft and kind of simple, and it just gives you about a 10-minute updo for a really quick, beautiful bohemian style.
Whoa.
You become very dexterous when you run a new hair. You can use your fingers in many different ways. It's not going to be something that girl can sleep on for 6 days because you know she's going to. She's at a festival and get up and still look cute.